Hey, we're going to go over another new product available through Sloan Express. It's Camso's two-piece mid-roller kit, as we have here. And we're just kind of give you kind of an idea of what the premise is behind it. The old, what I'll call the older mid-rollers, where you had the hub style where there's all the cast hub inside, then they just relined that mid-roller. So what Camso came out with is a two-piece kit. So what you get is the hub. So we're just taking that hub and sliding it back on that spindle, bolting it in place, put your oil in it, seals, whatever else you need to do, and then all we're doing is bolting this mid-roller on. So taking away a 95 to 100 pound mid-roller and maybe getting you down to like a 40 pound mid-roller. And the premise behind it is pretty much that, just to try to decrease your downtime in the field, but also make it easy for you to do that replacement in the field fairly quick. Because now we're not having to change any of that oil, having to put in new races, bearings, that type of stuff. That's already done. All we need to do is put the new mid-roller on and go. One of the nice things with this kit is that this mid-roller, we don't need your old core back. They have set it up to where you buy this kit and that's it. So there's no extra or additional shipping to send it back to us. You get the kit, put it on, and away you go. Now, if you want to send a mid-roller back, that's fine. There isn't a core charge, there isn't a core charge to credit. So that's a nice, very nice thing to have. I would think that would be something that would be easy, an easy replacement, put it on and go. If you get in there and you also notice that you need some other replacement kits, keep in mind we do have the bearing and seal kits to put in these hubs as well. It works in this mid-roller as well. And if you do get in there and you need to replace that cap, we do have the Kyle Clearview caps to put back on there so you can actually see that oil bath as well. So if you have any questions on this, you can give us a call at the 800-934-9777 number or check it all out on sloanex.com.